Welcome to the STEM Center here at St. Petersburg College. So what does the STEM Center offer to the community, to our faculty, and to our students here at St. Petersburg College? It offers a host of opportunities. So there are classes here. Most of them tend to be a field-based course, an upper division elective, or marine science, or a biological environmental science-based program. Access to all sorts of supporting field equipment, and then 50 acres, also encompassing a large lagoon. So we've been able to carry on a lot of water-based experiments with our students. Just about anything that you could think of using crossover in the lab and the classroom that would be beneficial to you or your research or to your students, we pretty much have it here. We had 17 different organizations that we've partnered with here in the Tampa Bay community to work or to collaborate with our students or to support research here at the STEM Center.
I think it's above outstanding. I think this is probably one of the strongest selling points for the college itself. I can say with experience coming from different schools, I've never had such an opportunity for hands-on experience and to actually engage professionally and personally with my instructors and my peers. I've done more networking with the local Tampa Bay community now at SPC than I have at almost any other institution I've been at. The opportunities here are astounding.
How do SPC students like the facility? It's usually such a great reaction. You know, there's quite a few who don't know that we exist, and then there's quite a few who do know that we exist and don't want to tell their friends and colleagues. A lot of our students were like, shh, don't tell too many people, because there was only a few spots to be able to work on that project. So there's an amazing array of things that are going on here, and it really is just a pristine habitat that we've worked really hard to restore here in Tampa Bay, and it gives our students a unique opportunity that's really not present on any other college campus in our area.